Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to connect Google AdSense to your Blogger blog. Now, this integration is key for bloggers who want to monetize their content and earn revenue for their writing efforts. Whether you are new to blogging or looking to enhance your existing blog, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up AdSense on Blogger. Now, understanding the AdSense integration with Blogger. Integrating Google AdSense allows you to display ads on your blog and earn money based on visitor clicks and view. Before we start, it's important to show that your blog complies with the Google AdSense policies and that you have a significant amount of original content. Now, let's begin by setting up your Google AdSense account. Now, creating your AdSense account. If you don't already have an AdSense account, you can head over to the Google AdSense website and sign up. You need to provide some basic information about yourself and your blog. Once your application is submitted, it can take some time to AdSense to review and approve it. After your account is approved, you'll receive an ad code to place this into your actual blog. Now, integration AdSense with Blogger. Logged into your Blogger dashboard. Once you are in here, go to your earning tabs, and here where you can link your Blogger account with your AdSense. If your blog is eligible, you see an option to connect your AdSense right there. So let's hit into Connect AdSense. Follow the prompts to link your Blogger blog to the AdSense account. Placing AdSense ads to your blog. Once connected, you can start placing AdSense ads into your blog. Blogger offers a simple way to add AdSense widgets to your layout. So go to the Layout tab and then choose where you'd like ads to appear and add a AdSense gadget. Customize the ad format and placement accordingly to your blog's design and content layout. So understanding the AdSense policies and the best practices. Usually what I choose is the one that says Ad Units Recommended. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the Google AdSense policies to ensure your blog remains compliant. About practicing, avoid practices like click fraud or placing ads that interfere with content readability. Adhere this to guidelines to maintain the healthy relationship with Google AdSense, and you're going to be good to go. You can check out here, of course, all that information directly into your Google AdSense, and then you're actually good to go, guys. And that is it. You have successfully connected Google AdSense to your Blogger blog. With patience and quality content, you can start earning revenue from your actual blog. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to TaxPress for more blogging tips and tricks. Have any questions or tips on using Google AdSense? You can share them into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Happy blogging. Stay tuned to TaxPress for more insightful guides and insight to the blogging world. See you guys next time.